Okay, so I want to read this long paragraph. It says, who want to volunteer to read? Thank you, Dini. When
two events are said to be independent events, it means that the occurrence of one event affects the probability of the other event.
there's a blank there, right? Independent. Independent means what? Does it depend? No. So what do you think is the missing word there?
It does not depend.
It does not depend. Or it does not affect. Can you write down? Does not affect the probability of other event. Now let's read the following example. If one coin is selected at random, this from a box, and this box contains 10 cent and 20 cent, and is replaced. What does replace means?
Change.
Replace means what? Change. What does change means?
This one change for another one.
Joey, what do you think replace means? Replace means what? I take a 10 cent and then I replace. What does it mean?
Put it back inside.
I put it back, right? I put it back. So you want to underline this. You want to underline this. Oh, this one means I put it back. I put it back. Does it make sense? Are you writing? You are not writing yet. So everyone start. Everyone start. So replace means I put it back. I put it back. So if I put it back, does it affect the second draw?
Yes. No.
No.
Example, I got 10 coins. I got 10 coins. I take one coin. I put it back. I draw the second time. Is the denominator 9 or 10?
10.
Still 10, right? Does it affect?
No.
No. So it's called independent or dependent?
Independent.
Independent. Can follow? Can follow? Okay, now. Maybe you say, okay. Not sure what you're talking about. Now, over here, can you draw a box? I want you to write down examples. Examples of independent. Now, in your pair now, can you maybe discuss? Give example of independent event. Independent event. Now, maybe I start for you. Independent event means must have one or two event.
One.
If I have only one event, is it called independent event?
Yes.
It must be two.
Must be two, right? Does it make sense? It must have two things. Maybe draw a coin, draw another coin. Does it make sense? Yeah. So now can you write example? Can you write example over this side? This space here. So this space here. I want you to write example. What are some examples of independent event?
The number must be the same.
Number must be the same. Not necessary now. We have been dealing a lot with balls and coins, but can it be other things? Can. Cards. Cards can. Okay, I give you card. I start. I give you a card example which it does not affect. Does not affect. Okay, example. I start. Okay, I pick a card. I put it back. And then I pick another card. Is this dependent or independent? Pick another card. Is it dependent or independent? Marcus say independent. Fakira, do you agree?
This wrong.
That means wrong already, so fast. Do you agree? You agree with Marcus. What's the keyword that makes you agree? Put it back, right? I put it back, then it doesn't affect. So the keyword here, if I put it back, then it is independent. Do you need me to give another example before you start?
Yeah.
Okay, I give an example. Example, ready? Are you all taking down? Okay, example. Yan Ting came late to class just now. So Yan Ting, okay, I write YT late today. Okay? If I say YT is late on Monday, is it independent or dependent? See, on Monday, Ethan Ting is late. Does it depend on whether today she's late or not? Yes, huh?
No.
Does it depend?
No.
Anis, what do you think?
Maybe.
For example, here you can today, right? But does that affect her to be late on Monday? No, it's independent, right? It doesn't affect at all. So in this case, is it independent or dependent? Independent. Is it one event or two event? Two event. Where are the two event? Today and Monday. Does it make sense?
Makes sense.
Makes sense. Can we draw one example? Today got rain.
Yeah.
Did it rain? Monday will it rain again? Maybe not. But does it depend on today?
No.
Is it independent? Depend on today.
Yeah. Because the cloud.
Oh, maybe because of the cloud. Makes sense, right? Because of the cloud, all the rain, cloud rain. But let's assume it doesn't affect because Singapore island, right, surrounded by sea, right?
Yeah.
All the clouds will come in here and there. So usually it does not affect. Example. Okay? Can you now think of some examples? Okay, I'll give you 5 minutes. Think of example, write down. Give example, discuss. What is the example of independent event? Dog went missing. Dog went missing again. Okay, I go around and see. Let me write down what you write. Some of the things you write quite interesting. Or you want trying to cover up. Discuss. Let me see. MN early today. MN early on Friday. MN is what?
Matthew Ng.
Who is MN?
Matthew Ng.
Okay, I'm writing down what you have mentioned. Hey, many of you still blank. Be creative. There's no right, no wrong, right? We can always discuss. Come. If I let Madam Tammy see some of your English, I think she will be very sad. But right. Don't care about the English now. I want you all to write. Madam Tammy's part, I will settle it. Of course. Discuss with her how Gerald behave every day. Can we discuss quickly write down? Use $2, get back.
So, if we say right, early then after late, is it also independent?
Yes, it is. Very good question. Now, okay, we don't have much time now. Let me just read many of your things. Many of you talk about early again. Sell again. Sick again. The dog one got? What did the dog say?
Dog went missing.
I say dog went then dog come back then if dog went missing. Also can right?
Dog. Okay, dog went missing.
Then the dog come back home.
The dog came back home.
Then that missing.
Dog missing again.
Mute the voice.
Okay, now actually a lot of this okay, let me just summarize a lot of this you realize y'all got something? What did y'all say? Didn't write, haven't write. Let's see. See lah. I throw the rubbish away. I threw rubbish today. I threw the rubbish on Tuesday. Makes sense. Now, actually a lot of what you all have mentioned is a little bit of dependent. Not clear. Do you agree? You see, example, if the dog got a tendency to go missing, does it? But it does not affect. But is it more prone to get missing again?
Yeah.
A little bit. Example, sick. I'm sick today. Is it more likely that he's sick on Monday?
No, maybe.
A little bit because he haven't recovered. So all these are very good examples of independent, but a little bit of dependent. But the real world is like that. Fortunately, Fortunately, in the next question, it's very clear. They will tell you whether is it independent or dependent. Now let's look at the first question. Let's look at the first question. Okay, this one later if you want to copy, you just watch the video and then you just take it down. You want to read? Hurry up. A box? Louder, hurry up.
A box contains 6 red balls and 4 black balls. Another box contains 5 red balls, 2 black
You are listening to
and
Dini?
1 green ball. A ball is selected at random from the
Okay, first tell me. A ball is selected from each box. Underline the each box. Tell me, is it 1 event or 2 event?
2.
Okay, 2 event. Write down. This is 2 event. What's the important question to ask yourself? Is it dependent or independent? What do you think? Independent. Then tell us, suggest why maybe independent. It should be independent. Because there's 2 balls. Does it? Will it affect? It will not affect, right? So it is another box. So this one means independent. Okay. Now let's go to the very familiar tree diagram. Let's start. What do you think is the first underline? This. What do you think? Very good. Write down. First box. Okay, what do you think is the blank here? There's one blank here. There's one blank here. Eileen?
Box 1, box 2.
Box 1, box 2. Well done. But this whole thing seems to be in box 1. What do you think?
Red ball and black ball.
Red ball and?
Black ball.
You need to read the question because the question maybe will tell you something. Read the question. The question says what? In the box, the first box contains what? 6 red and 4 black. What do you think you want to write?
3 or 5.
No, I mean the blank here. Let's write the blank first. Eileen, there's a blank here.
Oh, you need
Red and black. Does it make sense? It makes sense. Okay, so is it important that I write red on top or red below?
Yes.
Why?
Because 3 female.
Because got the 2/5 here, right? Because of the 2/5 here. But 2/5 is it black?
Yes.
Why?
4 black ball.
4/10. Very good. So you want to write down this is 4/10. What do you think is the one on top, Mingwen? Huh? This one? Huh? 3/5. Can you write down 3/5? Okay, so far so good. Second box. Second box, what happened?
Then split.
Split. Oh, so if I pick red, then this one will red. Then what do you think is the bracket here? This is 3/5. This one must be 3/5. No. Then how?
3/4.
Why not 3/4? Matthew? Huh? 1/3. How do you get 1/3? Because got 3? Because got 3 ball. Where do you see the 3 ball? Come, point.
Black.
I want red. I want the red one. What do you think?
1/3 red.
1/3 red. You see 1/3 red.
Because got red.
Oh, is it like that? This one very important because it will affect how you play the game later. Wow, I got 3 branch. I got 3 branch. 1/3. Is it like that? Yes. No, why no? Because you need, again, now we are all learning. Because you need to look, how many balls do I have? Matthew, you look at what I'm coloring. I got 5 red. Matthew, I got 5 red, 3 black, 1 green. In total, how many? 9. In total, I got 9. Which means my denominator should be what, Matthew? Very good. My denominator should be 9. But how many red do I have? Very good. The first one is 5. Does it make sense? Okay. Oh, then the second one? 3/9, which is 1/3. 1/9. How do I know whether I correct or not? What must we do?
Everything plus together do 1.
Very good. Everything I plus together should be 1. Okay? Everything plus together I add, it should be equal to 1. Does it make sense? Wow, you're very good. You're very simple. So I add together everything is 1. Can you copy the diagram? Is it the same?
Yeah.
Do it right now. I copy from your book. Yeah, do now. Then do when? Tomorrow. Huh? Usually when we complete the tree like that, what do we do? Do we write something here?
The red
Or the
outcome.
The outcome. So you want to write the outcome? Let's write the outcome together. Outcome. The first one is what? R, comma R. Second one? RB. Third one? R green. Fourth one? BR. BB. BG. Not BGR. Huh? Okay, let's start. Okay, I don't trigger her. Okay. B says what? I want to find what? Probability or what? Really? Let me scroll up. 2 balls, same color. Oh, okay. So how do you write? Write P, bracket. You copy lor. 2 balls, same color. Yeah, not very sure how to do. What must I do?
Write out like the same color one, which is R.
Just look at
Which is RR, huh? How do I write? Do I write RR like that? Or what must I write? P, bracket, RR. Oh, P, bracket, RR. P, bracket, BB. Last one? Ming Ping? What do you think is the last one?
RB.
Is there a last one? No, right? Because trick question. Only B, RR and BB. Yeah. What are you doing? Didn't wake up. Okay, how do I continue?
Just write in the number.
MP.
3/5 times 5/9.
3/5 times
5/9.
5/9. Matthew, do you know how I get that? Matthew, let me highlight. Let me highlight. This is my red. Am I correct? So I want to look at this number and this number. Am I correct? So I multiply. Can follow? Complete the rest. Those who are done, go on to a C. Go on to a C. 2 check calculator, well done. Second one. Wrong. Color. I'll go on to your C. Don't care about me. I'm just copying. And our job is to check. Not sure whether the top one is correct. Very good. Some of you finish your question. Turn over to the next page. Continue already. Don't even have to wait for me. That should be the way. Remember, we quickly finish this so you can have more time for Kahoot. Otherwise, if you don't learn new skill, you cannot play it.
So what do you mean by red and black?
What do I mean by red and black?
Just terbalik also.
Let me write down what you say.
Means like, is it the RB and must be 1 ball red, 1 ball black?
Very good. Must be 1 ball red, 1 ball black. But is it only one probability or do you think there are maybe 2? 2. Who are the 2? RB and BR. Well done. RB and BR. Faster, slowly. You should be doing your next page. You shouldn't be like waiting. Oh, the Q is a printing error. Can you help me color the Q? Oh, it's on practice 7. Now no more. It's represented by a red dot. Ignore, just ignore. Okay, I'm going to explain this when everyone completes. Turn to the next page. Can start?
What is on the dice? The dice is 2, 3, 5.
The die is 2, 3, 5. Good. Prime number. They are listing out the prime number, which is good. You mean the previous one? I'm not interested in this one. You just continue first. Quickly. Ooh, wrong color.
The power still there.
So I have 3 over 5.
Very laggy.
I got laggy.
Not like me.
Okay lah. Better than yesterday, right? Yesterday don't even show. Okay. Can everyone turn back to this page? Okay, I gotta disturb you because I got something very important to say. Ready? Can everyone turn to this page? Turn to this page. Now, let's look at this probability again. Now, I want to focus in this. Now, yeah, it's still recording for Kalis. Now, I have this thing here. This thing here is 1 event or 2 event? One single event. And in the event itself, how many events? 2. Does it make sense? So, if I'm talking about one single event, what happened to the 2 probability here and here? What happened to this probability and this probability? I plus or multiply? Multiply. Understand? So when I want to find out one outcome, I will multiply. But when I have 2 or 3 outcomes, what do I want to do with them? I will plus them together. So this is the second thing here. I need to multiply probability sometimes when I want to find a single outcome with a few events inside. Can follow? So you want to write down some keywords to help us remember. Let's see me here who do wrongly. Yes. Never mind. I got the screen covered. This is later I'm going to make a MTV with music behind. No lah. Okay, let's continue. So what must I write? If I want to find out an outcome, when I want to find an outcome, then I will what? I will multiply okay, I'm referring to this now. When I want to find out a single outcome, what do I do to the probability? I multiply the probability, right? So let's phrase it properly. When I want to find out a single outcome, I will multiply the probability. When I want to find out a few outcomes means what? I have red lah, I have black, I have green, I have blue. What do? I will plus the outcome together. Okay, I will plus the outcome together. So if I have a few different outcomes, then I will add the probability of the outcomes. Okay, if you don't understand, you can write in your own words. You need to know when to multiply the probability, when to add the probability. That's it. Okay, in your own words, you want to write out what it means to you. So far, good? Can Going, gone. Okay, now let's look at the next one. I have a die, I have a coin. How many events? 2. Okay, maybe I should stop talking. You just continue. Haven't finished. Finish already. Who don't know how to start the second question? The coin and the die. Do you think I should draw a diagram or a probability tree? No need to do anything. I got dice. I got coin, right? Do you want to draw a probability tree? Yes. Okay, let's try and draw a probability tree. Actually, no need, but we can draw. Can we draw a probability tree? Yes, we can. Okay, let's try. You want to start with what first? I start with die. Okay, I start with die. So if I have a die, how many branches do I have? 6. Okay, we draw together. 1, 2. Use a ruler, otherwise it's not neat. Remember, we say that it must be later I'm going to show you why don't need. Marcus is correct. You notice that I draw on the right side because I'm always right. Really? Not really, but because I want to save the left hand side for another type of working. We don't have time. Okay, now what do you think I want to put as the first header? The first header. Die, as a die. Then what do you think I want to put at the number here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, very good. Later I branch out, head and tail. Do I only do for 1?
No, for 6 times.
How many branches must I draw?
8.
12. Why 12?
6 times.
6 times 2. You all continue? I'm going to show you why this is so ugly and why we don't do this. Waste ink. Didn't think you finished already. What do I put here? Head, tail. So this is coin, and this is head, tail. Head, tail. Head, tail. So tiring. Do you want to write the outcome? If I write the outcome, this one will be 1, 8. 1, tail. Do you follow? 2, head. I lazy to write. I just write that. The question didn't say draw a tree diagram. Didn't. So I just do this as a rough working. I want to make you draw because I want you to know when to draw a tree diagram, when not to draw. Okay, let's start. What do you think is the... Okay, if I point to the first branch, what do you think is the probability? Eileen? Very good. 1 out of 6. And the rest is all 1 out of 6. All 1 out of 6. This one will be 1 out of 2. Can follow? So far can? Okay, you ignore the inside, the inside. Because too many things already. Now, do you think we should draw this? No. Okay, when do we not draw a tree diagram? When there are a few branches or when there are many branches? You see, many branches, do you draw?
No.
If I have one die, 6 branch, right? If I throw the die second time, how many branch will I have? 36. Can you imagine how big the tree is? I have 36 branches. So when there is too many branches, you don't draw the tree. Okay, you don't draw the tree. Do you want to write it down? Okay, do not draw, write down, tree diagram if too many what? Branches. Unless the question says draw a tree diagram, can you choose?
Yes.
No, then you draw. They want 100, you draw 100 No. But usually, if the tree diagram too many branches, then you draw. Then maybe you will draw a possibility Diagram. Do you remember that one?
Yeah.
Draw a graph. Okay, let's forget about all the diagrams. Let's just go straight to the question. Save time. I want event A. So let's start. Event A. For my A jialat. Okay, my A. How to do Can we list out example? Because I need to know who are the probability I'm dealing with, isn't it? So probability of A will be probability of what and what. Let's start with the first one. I want a prime number. I want a head. So who are the probability?
Prime number and head.
So who are the prime number and head? Give me one example. Jaira, give me one example. Prime number, comma, and a head. Give me an example of prime number on a die. 2, then comma.
3, then 5.
No. If you say 2, 3, 5, you're just saying one event. Cannot. I must have 2 and then what?
Or 2 then head.
Head. Okay, so Jaira, the first one is 2, comma head. Jaira, can you give me another one?
3,
Oh, thank you. Zining, another one? 5, comma head. I write 3 like that. Honey, is it wrong? Or something is missing? What is missing? Plus, very good. Inside should be plus, right? Because these are all 3 different outcomes. So I add them together. Let's see. The first one. Probability of 2 and H. What's the probability of 2, Hanis? Probability of throwing a 2. What's the probability? What's the probability of throwing a 2? I have a die, I throw, I get 2. In a die, how many sides are there?
One.
The answer is 1. Again, I want to throw a 2. So in a die, I throw. How many sides are there in the die? 6, right? I want to throw a 2. What's the probability? 1 out of 6. Very good. 1 out of 6. What about throwing a head? Half. What do you think I need to do the probability between them? Times. So far so good? Bracket.
You just put 3 over 6 times half and
3 over 6 times half. Very good. Now, Marcus very fast. Okay, now this one and this one, do you think the same probability?
yeah.
Throwing a 3, also the same, 1 over 6. Throwing a head, also half one. Do you think it's the same? So what can we do? Times 3 Does it make sense? Because it's all the same probability. Because this is independent event. Doesn't affect, right? Doesn't affect. So what's the answer? 1/4. Your turn. Tell me PB, PC,
So they minus what, sir?
PD. Oh, now the minus come out.
1 minus 1/4.
No, cannot.
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 That's prime number, that one, if it's odd number then it's there.
Yeah.
Even number, is it usually exclusive?
No.
No, right. Remember, the one number is overlap. Can you tell me the prime number also even number? Again, can you tell me one number that is prime? Very good. 2 is even and prime. So cannot 1 minus, cannot. Now you continue.
So but 2 for 6.
Yeah, but is it the same answer?
Yeah, it's still the same.
Same answer. Okay, so I go around and copy your answer quickly. Hey, those who are done, I challenge you, go on to the bottom one, read the dependent and try. Or you're still doing it. Good. I need to stop. We don't have time for dependent, so we will go straight to Kahoot.
Yay,
So finish this question and you go straight to Kahoot. Okay, I copy your answer. You check for me whether it's correct.
There you go answer.
This one?
Oh.
This one don't have, right? What is this? 2?
Huh?
2/3
So this one, right? Can you just call the outcomes and the result?
Can. Okay. Very good. I'm not sure. Can you help me check? Yeah, what?
Why you never say head or tail?
Okay.
So this one is only on the die, not.
Yeah, only on the die. So C is only on the die because C says I want to a number greater than 4. It means on the die greater than 4. Greater than 4 can be equal to 4? No.
This is 5.
5 and
Six.
6.
This is burning to include the head of
Do you have to?
Don't have to include the head of tail.
Yeah, don't have to include the head or tail. Very good. You want the... Hey, those who have finished this question, can you help me log on to Kahoot first? I don't know. My answer is on the board. You want to check? Okay, while waiting while waiting. Don't like yesterday like that. Wait, then cannot wait. Okay, let me load the thing. Then later on we compare the answer. Let me start. After that, computer lab, it's so long. Come here already to do a view, it's not computer lab. Oh yeah, yeah, so what's the probability that you will wear a black shoe on Monday again? Yeah, so is it C? 0 lah, let's say 0, right? Hey, please do the question first. Please finish this first. I'm going to go through this before you go to Kahoot. Bin. Chill. You all must learn to be patient.
Say the one who cannot be patient.
Hey, my class tell me I'm incredible hot. Why? Do I get angry that often?
Yes. Very easily.
Yeah.
Very impatient.
Hey, log in already? Are you in? Yeah, log in 3 then. How about the rest?
4, 5.
Thank you.
Meeting and is the one. Meeting want to use mine? Hey, today we have no time to do the dependent. We will cover it on Monday. Then we quickly finish chapter. Then we can Tuesday. Then we can quickly go on to the O-level topic. Hey, this is the last topic for level.
Yay!
Okay, easy
This is the most easiest chapter.
Easier chapter. You better make sure you score. Or rather the quiz. Okay, let's go through this one first. Let's go through this one first. Anyone didn't get the answer? Okay. Yes, no. Honey's got?
What?
Check. Is it correct? No,
Correct.
Can Okay, start. 10 players. I have 4.
Your phone.
Can. Wi-Fi no good, no? Let's see, 11. The pin is here. Hey, same rule. If everyone correct, you just continue. If wrong, I will go through. No choice. You see how long we can.
How many percent you want to go through?
How many percent? 1% wrong, I go through it. Wait, I see. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13. One more.
Wait.
Who's the wait? Then there's one more. No, don't share one. All in. Let's start. Wait. Take out paper. Wow, yesterday you all just take out paper and not press. Number is difficult. Not the MCQ anyhow choose. Cannot. Take out paper. I don't care. Take out paper. I don't start. MCQ easy one, chicken feet. Some take out, student handbook and do. Can we start? Huh? Oh, cannot. Are you inside? Honey, shout out. Everyone take out your what you call that? You scared? I help Honey to log in again because this is not happening. And then we start, we start. So the winner will get a prize. No, I changed it. But I didn't bring. Chocolate. 44890 limited edition highlighter. The one that he always say. Chocolate cannot. Chocolate the PE teacher will be angry. What's only to pass out everything? Okay, let's start. Ready? And sound. And start. Are you ready? 5 questions only. Very simple. Hey, don't help do correct then got more points.
But if slow also get less points.
On the day, the probability of the bus is late is 0.2. So A is what? Put in the order. So I got 4 squares. So A is what? Then you put the A inside the probability. I give a clue, example. If this is 0, you don't know what to do? You don't understand? Okay, I explain the first question. This is 0.2, this is 0.8. So I want in the order A, B, C, D. So you put 0.8 into the first box. Can follow? B, where is B? B is here. So what is the probability? You put that, you shift up. Okay, I think by you. Okay, 9 answers, 10 answers. Okay, since I got wait, what am I talking? I already got 17% correct. Which is how many? Okay, now let's see again. This is what? 0.8. Do you know why? Why? Add together must be 1. So A is 0.8. Can see? What is B? Oh, there's no 0.2. But your part the other way get wrong.
Everybody get highlighter.
Oh, because the two answers are the same. Okay, never mind. For good learning, you all got correct. But one lucky person actually gets the particular sequence correct. You.
What the heck?
Okay. Okay, let me explain. Don't do anything first. Let me explain. Now, I want the first answer to be probability of both days late. I want the second answer to be probability of both days early. I want the third answer to be probability of 1 day late. The fourth answer to be probability of at least 1 day late. This one can do 4 different numbers. Who don't understand what I want? Based on this picture. So you want to write down. You need to write down. Follow. Never mind, let it die. You don't want to anyhow press. Oh, okay, I got it. Wow, so good, so it's right. Oh, because you calculate then you pull one up. You calculate you pull one up.
Yes.
11, 2 more, one more. Getting correct is more important than fast. The music is making me clear. Who is still doing? Ah,
I go and plus.
you plus. Why you plus? Since you plus, I go through.
So the last try, no, just start and start.
Probably I'll go there late. Is it easy?
The first two is
Huh? It is okay. Let's go through the last two. The last two, is it the same? Is the last two the same? Some yes, some no. The rest. Hey, last two refer to this one. This one. Probability of 1 day late. Probability of at least 1 day late. Is it the same?
no, it's not.
Let's try. Let's try. Now, probability of. Don't. Never mind. Probability of 1 day late means what? Probability of late, comma,
Not late.
and late. And one only
No.
plus probability of not late then late. Wait. At least 1 day late. Probability of late. Late. Probability of late. Not late. Probability of not late. Wow, 3 very troublesome. Is there another way to do it?
Oh, one
Probability of no, cannot be what? Not late is here. So what must I write inside, Joey? Not late. Does it make sense? So yeah, you do all 3. It's fine. But you notice how you can do faster because you do 1 minus the other one. Does it make sense? Ready? Okay, let's go. So who is first? Really? Not Fakira. Ah, nice. No, don't worry. Okay. This one is white. This one is whatever. Blue, black. I don't know. What is this? What happened? What is this? Oh, wait. Done. Hey. Oh, the school network call you again. Click advance. The gate pin is below.
So you see what 37 then 37.
Yeah, you will have the same problem, but somehow maybe more you get the correct answer but not correct. Just the two probably the same. You try. It's for learning. See who's the lucky person. Oh, finish already, huh? So easy. Quite easy, right, actually? Not difficult. Not difficult. But if you're wrong, don't be sad. Maybe it's because the sequence.
Confirm sequence.
Come on, 3 over 7.
Confirm
So
sequence.
let everybody get
You wait.
You wait, that's very
One more. Hey, anyhow, press out. Hey, hurry up. I want to see.
See?
Okay, chill.
Sequence.
The sequence. Okay, I assume everyone got correct. Oh, didn't you got correct? Oh no, everyone wrong. So it's fair. Okay. 2 balls are drawn.
This is nothing.
What is another question? I still want the one girl.
Okay, this one I haven't teach yet. When there is no replacement, what will happen to the denominator of the second one? Cut down by 1. Okay, this one I haven't teach yet. I thought I can finish it, then we can go through. But never mind, I will draw out the thing. You can try, but I will draw out the thing. Over here. Then we can play the next question together. Okay, let's learn on the spot. Let's learn on the spot. Is this easy? Easy, Now this one means altogether I have 7 balls. No replacement. What happened to the denominator? Minus 1. I pick a white ball. What will happen to the white ball? Minus 1. How many white balls left? I have 4 white balls. I pick up 1 white ball. I don't replace back. How many left? 3. 3 out of 6. Maybe this one wrong.
Go 6. Go second ball. The first ball already taken already.
Okay, this is 3 over 7. This one will be 4 over 7, right? The second one.
Okay, the last one.
If I pick up a white ball, my denominator will be 6. But I already pick out 1 white ball. How many left? 3. So 3 out of 6. This is wrong. Shoot. The blue one will be what? 4. Is it still 4 out of 6? 3 out of 6. Why 3 out of 6? I have 3 B ball, right? I have 3 blue ball. Did I pick out any blue ball? No. Okay, don't worry. This one, everyone fair. No one submit. So I got 3 blue ball. So this one will be 3 out of 6. Is this correct? I add up is what? 1. Still correct. Now we try this one. What will happen to the white ball? Same. Is it same as this? Why? Because I pick a what ball? Blue. I pick a blue ball. So how many white left? Still 4. Still 4. 4 out of
6.
4 out of 6. So this is 4 out of I pick out the blue ball. So denominator minus 1. But I never pick the white ball. So it's 4. What's the bottom one? 2 out of 6. Together is 1. Okay, I don't reduce to the lowest term. I leave like that. Is this okay?
Yes.
Kuching, is it okay? Okay, next. Still Dini. Because no one choose. Okay, with this, try the next one. I want to find the probability of red. This is the first probability. So the first one you drag probability of red. Red. Then you want to find the probability of 1 white, 1 blue. What's the probability? You want to find both blue. Put it to the third one.
So use this one.
Use this. Don't use. Is it the same? Don't use this one. Don't use this one. Oh, you use this one.
Yeah, sir.
Do you get the answer? Do you get the answer? Got answer? Got answer. I want you to work out the answer, then later we compare the answer together. For this question. Write out your answer, then later we compare. How many use the diagram here? Oh. The diagram was wrong.
But be correct. Your answer is
The answer was tagged to this diagram, right? Tagged to the wrong diagram. Just in case, I repeat, use the wrong diagram, then you can see the numbers here. If you use the correct diagram, cannot see. Use the correct diagram, cannot see. Cannot see the answers here. How come the music today so sad?
Nobody got it correct.
Because Kali is not here.
You correct, yes.
Correct.
in the probability that you choose. Now let's do the first one. First one, do I need to explain why is it 0? No need. First one is okay. Second one, probability of both red blue. What's your probability of?
White.
No. Probability of one white, one blue. So it's white, blue, and blue, white. Anything else? Oh, third one? Blue. Anything else? Nothing. Last one? White. Anything else? No more. No blue ball. Yeah, lor. Understand? So far? Let's see who's the. Who is the 33%? The bad thing is I cannot click, I cannot see. Yay!
You're not fair, cannot.
Oh, no, not fair. Okay. I go and create one more, but I'll pass the highlighter to you.
The last election.
Oh, you got kicked out. Where you going again? Oh, the same day. It was okay. Okay. The network still not stable Never mind lah. Okay, now to sum off today, we were talking about multiply law. We are talking about independent terms, so all settled. In question 4 and 5 just now inside the Kahoot, we were actually doing dependent. Remember this diagram? We are actually doing dependent events. That means I kick out. I never replace it back. Okay, understand? Okay, now I have about 5 more minutes. Usually it's over time, but I just want to strengthen our understanding on the dependent thing. Can we scroll down the notes? Let's just look at the last part so that many of you will actually continue to do your work during the weekend and all. So at least you can know how to start. Now, let's take example 8. There are a few words. There are one paragraph of words on top. What is the keyword? Dependent event. Now, for dependent event, what is the key thing that you want to? Does or does not affect? It does affect. And what is the key idea? Do I replace it back? No, I do not replace back. So these are the 3 keywords that you want to highlight. So dependent, it does affect. And so, what does it mean? Usually I don't put back. Let's look at the first example. Example 8. I have so many roses in the container. I pick up 2 roses, one after another. Do I put back? I don't put back. So I want you to look at these words here and write down. This one means no replacement. Okay? No replacement. You think you can fill in the 3 diagram? You think you can fill the 3 diagram? Now you start. Where's that? The work.
What's Q?
Hmm?
What is Q?
Got Q meh?
The black space there.
Oh, the Q Now then you delete. What were you doing just now? Okay, now, there's a P here, is it? You mean this P?
No, it's on top.
Oh, the Q on top should come.
Yes.
Make a guess, where is this Q?
Then
So smart How Cannot stand you. Okay, so this is the Q that was on top. So bring it down here. This is the Q that the Q actually went to the previous question. Now let me highlight it. So your job is to tell me P equal to what? Q equal to what? Yes. Do you need to divide?
To make it like.
Do you need to reduce to a lowest term? Yes or no? Yes or no? You need to. Okay, final answer always reduce to lowest term. So Yan Ting, what's the value of P? Still doing. Do what? 2 over 5. Marcus, is it correct? 6 over 15.
Cannot simplify, that's not the final.
This one not the final answer. Why is this not the final answer?
Oh, when you place inside.
But they asked for P, right? Do you think they want to simplify? Yes, sir. But do you want to reduce to lowest term?
No. Because he said the white still 515.
No, as you put 6.
Oh, Marcus' argument is because this thing here is still 5 over 15. But never mind, we reduce to the lowest term. Okay, reduce to the lowest term. So what's the answer? 2 over 5. Is Q easy? Q is what? 2 over 7. How I get 2 over 7? It was 4 over 14. Does it make sense? No one listening. You are doing. Help me check. Help me check. Those who are done, go on to the tree diagram. Done already. Then go on to the quality. Done as well. Then go on to the next page. In fact, we are almost done already. We are almost done with the whole chapter.
You just relax. Done already.
So is this the whole picture?
With replacement piece. Meet the guys, what's the homework today? Hey, 2 days you want to go homework? Then you forget how? Hey, you always tell me you got other homework. Nice try. Oh, only for you the rest all finished already.
You still need to revise for a lot of other.
Okay, I give you discount. Can you complete exercise practice 8A and 8B? And
Just continue.
can I give you 2C as well?
Where got discount? Discount where got call?
Yeah? 2C. Yeah, you special.
It's just 2C then Friday enough.
No. Okay. This one you divvy out. We do in class 17 and 19. Discount. Then you do this one complete on Monday. What's the day on Monday? Tuesday. You wait. But you can be happy on Friday because Friday no school. Can you all write this down? 11th of April. I want to see your 2 questions done. I want to see your 2C done. I think I will have some of you even complete the advanced question. Or many of you will complete. Alright, class then. Alright, thank you class. Yeah, you finish for me. You give me your 2A and 2B first. Okay.